So what will be the resultant of these two vectors? R is given by within square root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. This gives the magnitude of the resultant of these two vectors. Magnitude of resultant of these two vectors. It is clear? Now what will be the direction which resultant makes from the vector A? This is the resultant. It makes an angle alpha from the direction of vector A. What will be tan alpha? Tan alpha equals to B sin theta upon A plus B cos theta. So its derivation I have already explained in the video. If you have not watched, then you must watch that. That derivation is very, very important. Now see here, we will check that whether it is correct or not by using three cases. When theta equals to 0 degree, when theta equals to 180 degree, and when theta equals to 90 degree. In each case, we will find out the resultant by the geometrical procedure and resultant by the mathematical procedure, and whether both are same or not. So see here, first I am going to take this case, though I have explained this also in the video, but you see, it is clear. When theta equals to 0 degree, 0 degree means they are directed in the same direction. Theta equals to 0 degree. So see here, how will you draw? First, you will draw the vector A. You will draw the vector A. Then from the head of the vector A, you draw the other vector, vector B. Other vector, vector B. But here you can see that angle is 0 degree, therefore other vector will be in the same direction as the direction of vector A. दूसरे वेक्टर की डायरेक्शन वही होगी जो वेक्टर A की डायरेक्शन. This is the other vector, vector B. According to geometrical procedure, what will be the resultant? It can be obtained by joining tail of first vector to the head of second vector. Means this. Resultant of this will be equal to this. Means this is representing resultant of vector A and vector B. Means vector R is equal to vector A plus vector B. Now what will be the magnitude of this resultant? So A की length plus B की length. Length of A plus length of B. It is clear. So it will be equal to A plus B. Now this resultant vector is making what angle from the vector A? Who can tell?
0 degree.
0 degree.
0 degree. हमको मालूम है रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर ए मतलब फर्स्ट वेक्टर से जो एंगल बनाता है उसको किस सिंबल से प्रेजेंट करते हैं? अल्फा. अल्फा इज 0 डिग्री. नाउ वी विल चेक द सेम थिंग from formula. Now see here, from formula मतलब फार्मूले से भी रिजल्टेंट का मैग्नीट्यूड ये आना चाहिए, a प्लस बी आना चाहिए, अल्फा क्या आना चाहिए? 0 आना चाहिए. So see here, from formula R equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Cos theta is 0 degree. Cos 0 degree. What is cos 0 degree? 1. When you will substitute here 1, what will you get? You will get a square plus b square plus 2ab into 1. It is clear? Means you will get a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is equals to how much? Who can tell?
A plus
A plus B.
A plus B का whole square.
A plus b का whole square and a plus b का whole square means a plus b. Means the resultant का magnitude वही है which we have obtained from the geometrical procedure. Now you see the angle alpha. So as you know that I am writing here tan alpha equals to b sin theta sin 0 degree upon a plus b cos theta cos 0 degree. What is sin 0 degree? Sin 0 degree
0.
cos 0 degree 1. So b into 0 upon a plus b into 1 means 0 upon a plus b. What is 0 upon a plus b?
0.
0.
0.
So tan alpha equals to 0. So what will be alpha? 0 degree. Alpha will be 0 degree. So here the answers which you have found by using geometrical method are matching with this, which you have found by the formula. It is clear. And one more thing. It is the maximum resultant which two vectors can produce. It is the maximum, this is very important point, maximum resultant which two vectors can produce. Means दो vectors maximum resultant कब produce कर सकते? Resultant means vector addition. दो vectors maximum resultant कब produce कर सकते? When they are acting in the same direction. When they are acting in the same direction. Now if I ask that there is one vector is of 8 unit, another vector is of 6 unit, whether they can produce a resultant of 20 unit, who can tell? क्या ये दोनों मिलके इतना resultant produce कर सकते हैं? No, never. Never. Why? Because the maximum which they can produce is 14 unit. Maximum is only 14 unit. Therefore, 20 unit they cannot produce. It's clear. Now see here theta equals to 180 degree. You see the second case. When theta equals to 180 degree, it is clear. This is the vector A. It's clear. Now, and here we have taken that modulus of vector A is smaller than the modulus of vector B. Means A का magnitude B के magnitude से is less. So you have drawn the vector A. Then from the head of vector A, you will draw the vector B in the direction, in the given direction. So अगर angle A के हेड से हम 180 डिग्री मीजर करेंगे तो किधर आएगा? 180 डिग्री मीजर करेंगे यही तो आएगा. It is clear. In this direction it will come in this direction. So here I am drawing. वहां पर तो ड्रा करना थोड़ा पॉसिबल नहीं है ऊपर. So I have drawn here vector B. And since vector B is of smaller here you take vector B is of smaller magnitude. Vector B क्या है? Smaller magnitude का है, तो हमने ये ड्रा कर दिया. Now what will be the resultant? Resultant can be found by joining tail of first to the head of last. Means this. This is the representing the resultant. Vector R equals to vector A plus vector B. Vector R equals to, मैम अभी बात कर रहे हैं, पढ़ा रहे हैं. Vector R is equal to vector A plus vector B. It is clear? This will be the resultant. अब बताओ रिजल्टेंट का मैग्नीट्यूड क्या होगा? Who can tell?
A minus B.
A minus B. A की लेंथ माइनस B की लेंथ. A की लेंथ माइनस B की लेंथ. Now resultant in making what angle from the vector A?
180 degree. 180 degree.
A की डायरेक्शन
0
ये, रिजल्टेंट
degree.
की भी डायरेक्शन यही, तो अल्फा क्या हो गया? 0 डिग्री. अल्फा क्या हो गया? 0 डिग्री, क्योंकि R और वेक्टर A दोनों सेम डायरेक्शन में. नाउ यू से टेक द सेकंड केस. अगर कहीं ऐसे होता, A का मैग्नीट्यूड कम होता, B का ज्यादा होता. If the case is like this, then what will you do? So see here, you draw the vector E, and from the head of the vector A, this is vector A. From the head of the vector A, you draw the vector B. So vector B is just opposite to vector A because theta is 180 degree. So I am drawing vector B. But now vector B is of bigger length. क्यों? क्योंकि मैग्नीट्यूड वेक्टर B का अधिक है. Now what will be the resultant? Who can tell? So resultant is always found by joining tail of first to the head of last. First का tail ये है, B का head ये है. So this is the resultant. Vector R equals to vector A plus vector B. It is clear? Vector R is equal to vector A plus vector B. Now see here, what will be the magnitude of resultant vector?
B minus A.
Yes, sir.
B minus
Plus
A,
A minus
is
B.
longer, A is smaller, so it is B minus A. Now what will be alpha? Alpha
180
R और A के बीच का एंगल, who can tell?
180 degree.
180 degree. It will be 180 degree. Means आंसर या तो ये आना चाहिए या क्या आना चाहिए? ये आना चाहिए. Now we will check this from the formula whether it is correct or not. It is clear? We will check. So see here. Now from formula, R equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos 180 degree. What is cos 180 degree? It is -1. All of you remember cos 180 degree equals to -1. When you will substitute this value, so A square plus 2AB into -1, that is A square plus B square minus 2AB, means A minus B whole square, or this also you can write, क्योंकि दोनों का एक्सपेंशन तो यही होगा. Whether it is clear? Either it will be A minus B whole square or B minus A whole square. Therefore, what will be R? It will be A minus B or B minus A. It is clear? Now tan
Yes.
alpha. it will be B sin theta, that is 180 degree, upon A plus B cos 180 degree. Sin 180 degree is
0.
1. 0, yes. Sin 180, sin 90 plus theta, cos theta. So cos 90 is 0. So it is B into 0. While this is what? -1 already I have written. So here it is 0 upon A minus B, means 0. Now tan alpha is 0 degree. So here alpha will be either 0 degree or 180 degree. क्यों? क्योंकि tan 0 भी क्या होता है? 0. Tan 180 degree is also 0. Here we have not taken tan 180. आए समझे? क्यों? क्योंकि वो यहाँ ज्योमेट्रिकल रिजल्ट से मैच नहीं करेगा. So that's why we have not taken. वेक्टर सीधा ड्रा किए, रिजल्टेंट उस तरफ नहीं हो सकता. Vectors have been drawn in this way and resultant cannot be in that direction, in opposite direction. It is clear? So that's why I have not taken there. But here I am taking. So alpha equals to 0 degree or 180 degree. Therefore, geometrical rules are verified. यहाँ पर जो geometrical आया result, वो mathematical result से verify हो गया. Whether it is clear? Now see here, what is the minimum resultant which two vectors can produce? So minimum resultant which two vectors can produce will be either A minus B or B minus A. Means suppose there is one vector of 8 unit, another vector is of 6 unit. What is the minimum resultant which they can produce? That will be
2
of
units.
2 units.
that will be of 2 units. Minimum resultant which two vectors can produce will be of 2 units. It is clear? And what is the maximum which they can produce?
14.
14. तो अगर हम ये पूछें, एक वेक्टर है 3 यूनिट का, another is of 5 unit. It is clear? Whether they can produce a resultant of 5 unit. क्या ये दोनों मिलके एक 5 यूनिट का रिजल्टेंट प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं? Who can tell?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They can.
Yes, sir.
They can. Why? Because the minimum which they can produce 5 minus 3. Maximum which they can produce 8.
8.
ये रिजल्टेंट इन दोनों के बीच में आ रहा है. So yes, they can. It is clear? This thing
Yes,
is
sir.
clear or not? Now
Yes, sir.
see here.
Yes, sir.
After this, we will see the case, and here we will not verify because that geometrically it will become difficult. Case 3 when theta equals to 90 degree. Means when you will do this, so draw this, its diagram, so this vector A, and at 90 degree angle from here, this will be vector B. What will be the resultant? Resultant will be this. This vector R equals to vector A plus vector B. Here this angle will be alpha. Now if you find out the resultant, magnitude of resultant. So from Pythagoras theorem we can find it will be A square plus B square. It will be equal to A square plus B square. It is clear? Now what will be the alpha, tan alpha? So you can see here, tan alpha will be equal to B upon A. Here resultant's magnitude I have found by using Pythagoras theorem, and this I have found by applying the trigonometrical formula. Now see from the formula. So see here R equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, cos 90. What is cos 90? Who can tell?
Zero.
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 Zero. Therefore, this term will vanish, and what will be left? This. This will be the resultant. Now tan alpha. Tan alpha equals to B sin theta, that is B sin 90, upon A plus B cos theta, cos 90. You can see here, sin 90 is how much? 1. Cos 90 is 0. Therefore, it will be B upon A. It will be B upon A. Tan alpha equals to B upon A. So these two results are matching with this. Now we will see vector subtraction. It's clear. Subtraction of two vectors. Subtraction of two vectors. First we will see geometrical method, and then we will see mathematical. It is clear. So first you see geometrical method. First you see here vector A minus vector B. What does it mean? It means vector A plus negative vector B. What is the meaning of negative vector B? Who can tell?
Sir, opposite direction.
Vector of same magnitude as vector B, but opposite in direction. It's clear. This means the negative vector B. It's clear. And here there is plus sign, means resultant. Resultant of vector A and negative vector B. Resultant of this and this. It is clear. Now you see here, how will you do by the geometrical method? This is the vector A. And this is the vector B. You have to find vector A minus vector B. So in order to determine vector A minus vector B, what will you do? You will find the resultant of these two vectors. इस वेक्टर का रिजल्ट इसका और इसका रिजल्टेंट फाइंड आउट करेंगे. So first you draw the negative vector B. So what is the negative vector B? If you draw here, the negative vector B will be this. Means negative vector B will be of same length as this, but the direction will be opposite. So see here, this is the vector A. From the head of vector A, negative vector B is drawn in this direction. You can see here, this is the vector A. From the head of the vector A, you have drawn the negative vector B in this direction. What will be their resultant? The resultant will be this. It will be the result. It's clear. Means this is representing vector R equals to vector A plus negative vector means vector A minus vector B. Therefore,
स्टार्ट हो गई.
yes, what happened?
सर आशीष
Now,
स्टार्ट हो गई. मैथ्स की.
what are you? Time.